Will VeChain ever burn its tokens? This is the questions that some investors ask. Investors have been so worried about VeChain lately because the market price has been a little slow. Due to this slow market price, investors ask questions like, Nay, is VeChain going to have a burn? Is the team considering a burn in VeChain project? Is burning some VeChain tokens going to make the VeChain coin making faster? Investors still goes on asking for the price prediction of VeChain and my reasons for that. So in this video, we will be discussing about this topic, but before getting into the discussion, I'm Nay, a crypto enthusiast and investor. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say about coins I talk about are from my researches and opinions. So when investing in any coin I recommend, kindly do a little more research to be on the safer side and do not forget to invest wisely. Also, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, so this video could reach more people. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. VeChain is the platform to support blockchain-based business applications offering real economic and social value. VeChain created the VechainThor Blockchain. This innovation represents the next generation of public blockchains, called Blockchain X. It includes the following key features, which are new governance model, the new economic model, regulation and compliance capabilities, and VechainThor Mainnet and matching infrastructure services. The vision of VeChain and the VechainThor blockchain is to build a trust-free and distributed business ecosystem platform to enable transparent information flow, efficient collaboration, and high-speed value transfers. The vision is manifested through several qualities. In this ecosystem, the information is relatively transparent and symmetrical. A large portion of the profit source comes from realizing actual value. In this ecosystem, individual business parties can greatly reduce the potential trust cost between additional parties. This makes business cooperation simpler, more efficient, and less expensive. This enables the business to concentrate resources on more advanced technology and better products and services to create more value. In this ecosystem, each business owner, including enterprises and individuals, can position themselves based on their contribution and value, and obtain a fair reward. Also, all business activities are like individual dots running isolated on the blockchain platform. Through business use cases and innovations, new links can be discovered among the dots by maximizing the features of blockchain. This results in an interconnected webbing of dots across the entire ecosystem. Finally, the value of growth comes from building links to dots to create grouped value. An example is the link between car companies and consumers. From this created value you can find organic growth out of newly discovered links that can carried by high-speed value transmission between these now grouped dots and links. The forms of value created and serviced will be commodities, products, services, assets, and funds. The VechainThor blockchain is the platform to carry out this future ecosystem with robust blockchain core infrastructure, matching infrastructure services, proper governance and economic design, and growing community and business engagement. According to the White Paper 2.0, VeChain believes that blockchain technology is one of the foundations for the next generation of information technology, alongside emerging technologies such as AR, VR, AI, IoT, 5G, and more. With the technology's immutable and tamper-proof characteristics, blockchain, as an infrastructural technology, is uniquely positioned to enable unprecedented value and data transfer among a wide set of users in a trustless manner, boosting the efficiency and authenticity of information transfer itself. VeChain's vision of lowering the barrier and enabling established businesses with blockchain technology to create value and solve real-world economic problems has been clear to us from the very beginning. To achieve and fully harness this technology that will enable mass public adoption, we have identified the three major phases of blockchain evolvement: technical consensus, business consensus, and governance consensus. These phases will be the foundation and strategy to enable the VeChainThor blockchain to be adopted as the world's premier choice of blockchain. From a financial perspective, the VeChain Foundation's goal is to maintain a healthy financial status to support the advancement of VeChain blockchain technologies and the sustainable development of the VeChain ecosystem. The VeChain Foundation set up a full-time financial management team to efficiently manage the finances and economic resources of the organization. The team is responsible for financial planning, accounting, compliance, and financial control to aid the management in better decision-making. The financial management team periodically reports the financial status and planning to the steering committee. As a nonprofit organization, the VeChain Foundation does not distribute profits or dividends to the founding team, controllers, or shareholders in the foundation. However, the foundation will actively seek income to fund the sustainable development of the project. The income, subtracted from the operational expenditure, will all be allocated to the cause of ecosystem development. According to VeChain Foundation's operation model since inception, we have established several income streams to maintain a healthy financial status and support the long-term development of the VeChain ecosystem. VeChain Foundation allocates about 10% of its capital to further invest in innovative projects on the VeChainThor blockchain that create value for the ecosystem. The foundation injects a portion of the funds into the VeChain Ecosystem Fund, which is a joint effort with reputable venture capitals in both blockchain and traditional sectors to further expand the development of the VeChain ecosystem. In addition, the foundation hires professional third-party service providers to manage its proceeds in fiat and cryptocurrencies such as BTC and ETH to mitigate the risk of market volatility and enjoy the appreciation of the unused assets. The gain from the investment and asset management will be reused to fund the technology advancement and ecosystem development. VeChain token, VET, is the smart money, or smart value, in the VeChainThor ecosystem, which is programmable and executable in the smart contracts to carry on value transferring along with commercial activities running on the VeChainThor blockchain. Besides that, VeChain token, VET, can be discovered as a key element to build up the links among dots in the ecosystem. VeChain Foundation has distributed more than 70% of VeChain tokens, including a portion of burnt tokens, in total 133 million ERC20 VET, during the refunding process, to the community through different processes including private sales, public sales, promotions, business collaborations, marketing activities, research programs, and so on. The VeChain Foundation will continuously and progressively distribute VeChain tokens to the community through various activities in the coming years. Meanwhile, VeChainThor is the energy or the cost of carrying on the payment transactions and smart contract transactions. VeChainThor is generated from VeChain tokens over time. More details will be elaborated in the economic model section below. Of course, such development of the ecosystem will go through different stages and be flexible to open possibilities. A better fusion with the traditional business world will help the transformation of traditional commercial activities. After businesses discover the new business model, they will progressively form a distributed business ecosystem. This will require commitment, innovation, and contributions from all participants in the community, whether enterprises, individuals, business owners, or service providers. VeChain will support, sponsor, and motivate the outstanding business and technical partners to join us together on this journey of creation and changing the world by leveraging best practices in various industries to help the right people to do what they do best. At the moment, VeChain is trading at 0.1 cent. With a market capitalization of roughly $1.2 billion, a fully diluted market cap of $1.4 billion, and a 24-hour trading volume of $30 million. VeChain is at its stabled price. It is so obvious that the momentum on VeChain is going extremely down. Well, I do not blame the VeChain token. It's being in the cryptocurrency space for over 3 years now, and beside that, it has gained a lot of volume and market cap in the past 9 years. I think one of the reasons investors are not buying VeChain is that the market cap has been established to about $1 billion. Investing in VeChain right now doesn't guarantee you 10x return on investment. So you can see why investors staying away for VeChain, right? Talking about the burning of VeChain. VeChain does burn tokens, but it burns 70% of the transaction cost, which is paid in VeChainThor utility token. Please note that VeChainThor is not the same as VET, which is their store of value. Smart payment currency. In conclusion, VeChain Foundation exercise buybacks of VET, which effectively works as token burns. For now, I don't think if there is any live news about the burning of VeChain coin. For now, VeChain isn't burning any token. From the team, I think the market would be recovered soon and burning isn't the problem. Personally, I think VeChain is a good project regardless of the burn. But I won't advise you to buy VeChain coin if you are looking for a 10 to 20x return of investment. This will be the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and invest wisely. Thanks.